Today we will tell you about health benefits and risk associated with tea. Please follow and subscribe us for more interesting topics. Tea is widely consumed all over the world. Generally, tea is divided into 6 categories: white, green, yellow, oolong, black, and dark teas. Tea contains abundant phytochemicals, such as polyphenols, pigments, polysaccharides, alkaloids, free amino acids, and saponins. Tea, a beverage prepared from the leaves of Camellia sinensis, originated in ancient China. Many studies have indicated that tea and its bioactive components possess multiple health functions. White, green, and yellow teas contain abundant polyphenols. Tea polyphenols are one of the most important natural antioxidants. Tea is one of the most important sources of alkaloids, for example caffeine, theobromine, and theophylline. Tea brewing and its extract also contain a considerable amount of amino acids. It has been summarized that L-theanine has positive effects on relaxation, cognitive performance, emotional status, sleep quality, cancer, cardiovascular diseases, obesity, and the common cold. Saponins are another bioactive component in tea brewing and its extract, and usually exhibit antioxidant, immunoregulatory, anti-cancer, and cardiovascular protective effects. In humans, tea extract and its component have shown to protect against oxidative stress-related injury. In another clinical trial involving 70 Algerian prostate cancer patients and 120 age-matched healthy subjects, daily consumption of 5 cups of infusion, prepared from 2 grams green tea for 6 months, significantly decreased oxidative stress and prevented prostate cancer initiation. Tea consumption can also reduce the risk of CVD in humans. It was reported that short-term daily consumption of 3 capsules containing 500 milligrams of green tea extract could reduce blood pressure in obese, pre-hypertensive women. Many elements have been detected in tea, including plumbum, Pb, cadmium, Cd, copper, Cu, cobalt, Al, chromium, Cr, nickel, Ni, manganese, Mn, aluminum, Al, arsenic, As, and fluorine. Some of these have adverse effects when present in larger amounts. So far, many studies have demonstrated that tea shows various health functions, such as antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, immunoregulatory, anti-cancer, cardiovascular protective, anti-diabetic, anti-obesity, and hepatoprotective effects. Moreover, it is also considered that drinking tea is safe to humans, since reports about the severe adverse effects of tea consumption are rare. Consumption of a high dose of tea extract component, approximately up to 800 milligrams tea polyphenols, might cause mild acute adverse effects. High intake of caffeine, more than 200 milligrams d, accompanied by tea consumption could cause, at least in sensitive peoples, short-term stimulation of the nervous system, insomnia, anxiety, palpitations, trem, and increased blood pressure. Some other harmful effect has also been reported to correlated with tea consumption, such as acute liver damage and gastrointestinal disturbances like nausea and stomach injuries, with the latter more likely to occur when the tea is consumed on an empty stomach instead of a full stomach. To sum up, tea is generally safe for consumption with very rare adverse effects. Rigorous regulations are essential to limit the toxic factors in tea products, including heavy metals, pesticide residues, and mycotoxins from plantation, manufacture, and storage.